boxes on my storage. This thing was full of empty boxes. Go figure. Anyway, I kept some good boxes. Let me show you those. Okay, so those are some of the good boxes that I kept, because a lot of this stuff, when I bring it back in, I'm just going to throw it in boxes, out of mind, out of sight. And then as time goes on, I'll pull out a box, go through it, and throw it away. The plan is to have my organization storage units here with all my Christmas stuff and odds and ends, and label it all so I know where it's at. Buy stuff, things will go out. But the thing of it is that I need to declutter inside of my house. And in order to do that, I have to get somewhere to store the stuff that I bring out. It's gonna be in here. So the thing is that the bags of trash is taking up space. And in the area where I live at, you get 2 cartons for trash, one for trash and one for recyclable items. So I can put 2 bags in my recyclables, but the thing of it is that they only pick it up every other Thursday. So it's gonna be a slow process, and I'm okay with that because it gives me time. I know this is not something that's gonna be done overnight. It's gonna be a journey, and it is what it is. Now I will say, the Labor Day weekend, I was gonna my plan was every day come in and tackle it. I took Friday off, so I had Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and I took Tuesday off. So I figured 5 days of just straight cleaning, I can get it done. The only problem was that I have rheumatoid arthritis, and I had a flare-up, and that flare-up happened Thursday, and today is Sunday and of the following week. And I'm just now feeling better to where I can really stand and put pressure on my leg. I'll do a story about my rheumatoid arthritis, but yeah, it is no fun when you get a flare-up. But yeah, and for me, my flare-ups are in my ankles. Sometimes it's in my fingers, where my fingers are just numb and I can't do this. But today I'm feeling good. There's a little numbness, but I can, still move around and get stuff done. So that's the plan. So that's